Alright, well this fucking sucks today. I decided to drive my Rambler to work, and coming up the hill I lost power. It was misfiring, and so I lost the number 5 cylinder. No compression. And it's just it's running rough. The reason, quick way to tell which cylinder that you've lost is start pulling spark plug wires, and see how much different the engine idle changes. For example, if I pull this, idle drops a lot and it misfires. Number 2 drops a lot, misfires. Number 3, etc. You know, you get the idea. When I come up to number 5, I've already done these all, by the way. When I come up to number 5 and pull that, well, before, now it's back to sounding normal or something. Before, when I pulled this, there was almost no change. So I'm thinking I've either got a stuck valve, a burnt valve, something. It doesn't make valve noise though, so I'm not sure. I really just have to pull it apart, but I can't do that until the weekend. So yeah, but that's kind of disconcerting. You rev it up. It sounds okay. But for a time, when it was doing its thing, I could pull the number 5 plug and there would be almost no change. Now these things are notorious for popping head gaskets because the head bolts stretch on them. So that could be another thing too. It still feels like it's running rough, so like I said, when I pull the number 5 wire, it's rougher now than it was before. We'll see. Gotta come apart. Old cars are always fun, but this is the first time it's really giving me a fit of trouble. And then if we go back here and listen to the exhaust note, you can hear the compression loss. So yeah, I can't complain. This motor's been good to me since about 2009 when I last had it apart, and it gets driven a lot. I probably, in those years, have probably put about 25,000 on this car, 25,000 miles. So it gets driven a lot. Anyway, updates whenever I get this apart. Thanks for watching.